practice conversation for beginners. We will do simple English. We will practice together. This lesson is an English speaking practice online session. Say your name out loud now. I will wait. I am... Great. Let's start. We'll say a sentence. You repeat after me. Speak loud and clear. This is good for English speaking practice for beginners. Host, ready? Repeat each sentence twice. 1. Hello. 2. My name is 3. I am from 4. I like to learn English. Repeat this word twice. Good job. Keep practicing these lines during your English speaking practice. We will learn simple words. I say the word. You repeat. Use these words in short sentences later. Eat, drink, go, come, see, like, want, need. Now nouns, water, food, home, school, friend, book, phone, name. Make a short sentence with one verb and one noun. I will give an example. I want water. Now you make one. Speak out loud. Great. This helps in English speaking practice conversation. Great. Let's start. We'll say a sentence. You repeat after me. Speak loud and clear. This is good for English speaking practice for beginners. Ready? Repeat each sentence twice. Hello. My name is... I am from... I like to learn English. Repeat this word twice. We will do a slow conversation. I will say both parts first, then we will do it with pauses. This is an English speaking practice conversation for beginners. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? I am fine, thank you. And you? I am fine. What is your name? My name is Sarah. And you? My name is John. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? I am from India. Where are you from? I am from the Philippines. Do you work or study? We will do a slow conversation. I will say both parts first, then we will do it with pauses. This is an English speaking practice conversation for beginners. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? I am fine, thank you. And you? I am fine. What is your name? My name is Sarah. And you? My name is John. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? I am from India. Where are you from? I am from the Philippines. Do you work or study? I study. I study English. That is good. I work in a shop. What is your phone number? My phone number is 9876543321. Thank you. Now we practice line by line. I say first line. You answer like you're having conversation with your own. Then switch. Person A. Hi. Good morning. Person A. How are you? Now a new short conversation. This one is about shopping. Repeat after me. Then answer. Excuse me? How much is this? It is $5. Can I pay by card? Yes. We accept cards. Thank you. I want this one. Okay. Have a nice day. Thank you. You too. Practice with me. Now you make a short conversation. Use simple words. Use one question and one answer. Use words from earlier. Want, need, water, friend, school. I will give an example and then you do it. Example A. Do you need water? B. Yes, I need water. Thank you. Now you make your own. You can talk to me or to the camera. Speak slowly. I will give 30 seconds. Good. Try again and change one word. Small tips. Speak slowly. Open your mouth. Say each sound. Try these. First, sound. Say think, thank, this. Repeat each. Final S. Say books, pens, maps. Make the S sound at the end. Books, pens, map short, cause long vowels. Ship, sota, sheep. Repeat. Common mistakes, word order. In English, say, I like coffee, not I coffee like. Practice now. Say 5 sentences. I like nikler, stickdo, kusraledo.
Now let's boost your vocabulary. These 15 phrases are essential for daily conversation and will make your English sound more natural. 1. How's it going? 2. I don't understand. 3. Could you repeat that, please? 4. I'm learning English. 5. What do you mean? 6. Can you help me? 7. That's interesting. 8. I agree. 9. I disagree. 10. See you later. 11. What time is it? 12. I'm busy right now. 13. Let's meet tomorrow. 14. That's a good idea. 15. I'm not sure. Learn online for beginners. Great work. Keep practicing every day. Say one sentence. I will practice English every day. Thank you for learning with me. If you want more English speaking practice online, try this lesson again. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.